Hey guys, your boy Soyberger, another freaking video. I'm about to go drop my car off to Worship Performance. About to put this another fuel system on so I can run full E85. I just want to give y'all a little intro before I start doing this POV drive. I'm gonna switch to in a second. But yeah, man, it's about to be on full E85. Finally, I don't have to spend $3K for port injection to be on E85. So I'm happy about that. About to drop it off. Car looking good right now. Good car wash. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and we gonna see where it's gonna be at when it's on full E85. So shout out to Worship Performance, the aux section. Use my code SWAY WP5, and I'm gonna switch it to the POV or get into the shop. Yo, it's your boy Sway. You know what I'm saying, back with another freaking video. Hopefully y'all having a good day. You know, hopefully y'all day is going good watching this video. Everything going well in your guys' life, you know. Good day today. Dropping the car off, about to get some go fast parts, about to be a little faster. You know what I'm saying? I can't even tell y'all yet. I'm gonna just let y'all know when I get there. Big news though, why is this car going so goddamn slow? But yeah, man, I'm about to finally should be full E85 soon. Full E85 on this new setup. I'm not gonna put my pulleys on yet, but I mean, I'm gonna put them on soon. But yeah, it should be full E85. The next video y'all see. Hopefully. I should. I'm putting the pump on, then I got my aux section, so we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, man, I'm 13 minutes away from the shop, 2 hours away from where I'm at. So I'm driving ZL1. Got my homie back there, Lee, driving my the Toyota, and yeah, we 13 minutes away. Talk to him for a bit, see what all is gonna, you know what I'm saying, just see what's up with it, you know. He's installing it for me for free. He's doing the tune for free, because I'm basically sponsored by him with the aux section stuff, so that's cool. Yeah, this car should be running nice with a lot of E in it, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah, can't wait, y'all. I can't wait, man. I just want to be able to run full E85. That's all I want to be. That's all I want to do. Like everybody in the Camaro world, LT4, I hate running E50, E40, E whatever. I want to be full E85 when I want to. And the other route is so much money it's so much money to put in these cars to run full E85 if you go port. Like, bro, so much. But this is another route. It's basically like meth. Like, it's basically spraying right into your like supercharger. So it's gonna cool that down too. So that's nice. IAT is gonna be way cooler. They already cool with 2650, but with this, it's gonna just put the IATs down even more. But yeah, I can't wait. 10 minutes away. I'll probably just do a whole POV drive, just going here. So I'm almost here though. Then I gotta hurry up and drive back because I got a football game, so I gotta drive right back and go straight to my football game. I'm gonna be late to my football game, but whatever. Yeah. And it's War of the Woods today. Like, goddamn. War in the Woods. I can't even go to it because my football game. I'll go to that next one though. Almost missed the turn. brand new engine. That thing went in at like water just fell. Oh my. I think I got the brand new engine at 60k miles. So I only put 15k miles on this car. Since then, what the hell? I feel like I put way more, but I actually didn't. Dang, that's crazy. Yeah, I put 16k miles on this car since the new engine. That's crazy. This literally just land out here, bro. Straight grass. This is basically, we're basically in Kokomo right now. Away, chat. 8 minutes away. I ain't gonna lie, my head's hurting, bro. What's the speed limit here? I don't even know the speed limit. 55. The electric scat pack. Up full E85. Shit, I'm done with the car after that. I am done doing stuff with the car after that. Good little drive. So it's like $80 to fill my gas tank up right now. Cause I put 40 in there and it got me to half tank. So $80 to fill up right now. Not too bad. So I can drive with $40. I can drive 2 hours away. $80 is 4 hours, so $80 to get me in Chicago. I ain't gonna have the car in a couple days. Little Corvette. Oh, he waved at me. Oh, I like when the old people wave at me. The nice cars. The car in a couple days. I got a lot of content with it, so that's good. drive back about to freaking suck. Goodness. What the fuck is in Kokomo? I wonder if the houses and land and stuff is cheap down here. There's so much land, so much green fields. Like, it gotta be cheap. Well, we're in Greentown now. They fishing right here. On my mom weekend. Oh, I can't even stop right here. I got a football game. Oh, damn, bruh. Oh, they fishing. Got the fishing pole in the back. What are they doing? Like a little town. Probably got no E85 out here. Well, they probably do actually. Be like they downtown. Chat, probably look at his V, and I'll catch y'all in a second.